Welcome back to Love Your Nails. I love my nails. You should love your nails. And what I'm going to do today is talk about a product that will make your nails look beautiful once applied, cured, and all shined up with top coat. This box you see here is Saviland. It's a brand that I came across, while using other polygel products, because they had a color that I loved. And it wasn't the glow-in-the-dark luminous polygels. It was a different color, which I will review in other videos. But the color was so bright, and I love bright colors. So I ordered it. And when I applied it, I must say I was highly impressed because it's firm. And firmness for me represented stability. So I really, really enjoyed using the Saviland polygel. And because I'm like a brand loyal person, whether I go to the dollar store, no matter what the cost it is, if I love it, I'm going to get it. I will stick with it. And, this is that brand right now for me concerning doing my nails. I do like other products. I will try other products, but Saviland will be a product that I will keep with me for as long as they're making it. You should try it out. I believe you'll love it. Everybody has their own likes and dislikes, but it is something to consider. I'm not sponsored by Saviland. Again, if I like something, I share it. So in my last video, you saw the results of it. It does apply well, it forms well, it cures well, and it lasts long. I actually had a tough time getting it off of a couple of nails when I removed it to do my videos and to do my nail application. A couple of the nails that came off easily because I personally made a mistake by using too much liquid during the application of the polygel. And that's with any polygel. If you use too much of the slip solution or alcohol, it will not cure as hard as it's supposed to. And I do show that in my first video. What the results of that is just soft, uncured polygel that eventually is going to lift. But once I applied it correctly, it lasts really good, and it's kind of tough to get off. So I appreciated that. And I also need to say that when I took it off carefully and properly, there was no damage to my nail. And my nails have been getting stronger after years of damage with acrylic. So again, Saviland Luminous Polygel. It's a kit that it comes in. As you can see, I haven't opened up the other products. They do give you a nice startup kit, 630 ml or 30 gram tubes, which is a pretty good size. You have some paper forms. You have plastic dual forms. You have plastic clamps. We'll talk about all these products in different videos. You have the little glass jar to hold your liquid, top coat, base coat, slip solution, cuticle pusher, nail file, and an application spatula and brush for the polygel. So they start you off really good. This was gifted to me by a loved one. I appreciate them so much, and you'll appreciate this product when you get a chance to use it. So Saviland Luminous Polygel, as you can see, cures and finishes up beautifully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button so you can see more up and coming videos, and follow me on my nail journey. Don't forget to always love your nails as you love yourself. Have a blessed day.